Can you have sex while you are pregnant? So, a lot of women, when they do come for antenatal, they do ask this question: is it safe for them to have sexual intercourse with their partner while they are pregnant or when they are pregnant with their baby? You look at this diagram here that we have now. This is making love during pregnancy. I don't know if you can see it. This is it very well. So you look at it, making love during pregnancy. Yes, you can see this is the penis. Can you see? Yeah, this is the penis, and this is the cervix. This is the vaginal. So this is the man, and this is the woman. Yes, it is very, very possible for you to have sexual intercourse during pregnancy. You can see this space now. This is your vaginal, and this is your vaginal. This is your penis that take the size. You can see. So that is your manhood. It is very, very possible because you see, if you look at this now, this is your uterus, and this is the baby. You can see the head of the baby. That is it in the picture there. So it is very, very, very safe for you to have sexual intercourse. And it has a lot of benefits. If you are a woman and you do have sex during pregnancy, it has a lot of benefits. And the benefits that I will highlight for you now is one, it helps you it helps you to increase your hormones. There are pregnancy hormones. There are hormones we call pregnancy hormones. When you are pregnant, there is this hormone that helps to support your baby, that will make your baby to, in fact, if you want your baby to look like that of a father, this is very important for you. Always make sure you have sex. But when you have sex, go gently. Don't have a rough sex. Make sure you have a gentle sex when you're having sex with your partner. So another thing is this hormone, when you are pregnant, by the time you start having sex, those hormones are being released, and while they are released, they contribute to your pregnancy hormone and make your baby's skin to be very cool, and the development of the bones, it helps it. So that is one of the things. Then two, you see that mood swing that is always associated with pregnancy as a woman. Whenever you are pregnant and you have sexual intercourse, it saves you from all those unnecessary mood swing. Try it today and see. If you are pregnant, always make sure you have regular sexual intercourse with your man. It helps to provide you with good hormone, and at the same time, it helps to prevent that mood swing that you usually have. These are just two things I will give you today. If there is still more you want us to talk about, I will tell you. There are still a lot of things that we need to learn from here. But whenever I'm talking to them, I also make sure I record here so that you people will be able to learn. Subscribe if you're just coming across my video for the very first time, and I will see you in my next video. Let me attend to my patients.